Hello friends, today we will learn how to break a root password in production environment. Suppose you have a server 2 and that is Red Hat 9. If you see cat etc Red Hat release, it's Red Hat 9. Now we will imagine how we can break the root password if we stuck on Control D mode. Okay, I am rebooting the server. Before rebooting, we just wanted to know that what is its SE Linux policy. So it is saying policies enforcing. So by default, when a server come online in production environment, policy always remain enforcing. So there are total 3 types of policies that we will talk about in any other lecture. Enforcing, disable and permissive. So usually in production it is enforcing. So we need to remember this. Okay, now I am restarting the server. Okay, when I am now restarting the server, it will take us to the kernel menu. In kernel menu, we will select the kernel and we will go to the single user mode. So now it is loading and now we just need to press up and down arrow key once it comes at this stage. So in Red Hat 9, you can select the rescue mode. In earlier versions, we always used to go by this mode. So I will tell you the difference why we need to go into this mode. Okay, let me first go to the main kernel version. So here I will press the E key. E means edit. It is saying below that press E to edit the kernel. Now first I am selecting the edit. Now here we come to the Linux line. So after Linux line, either you can go one by one like a child, or either you can press end key. In your keyboard you will see end key. It will go to the end of the line. So in earlier versions of Red Hat 5, Red Hat 6, we used to write there 1. But from Red Hat 7 to till Red Hat 10, what we are going to write here, we are going to write rd.break, so that we can go to the single user mode. Now after writing rd.break, what we can do here, we can type Control X. So it is saying below press Control X to start. I am pressing Control X. Okay, now it is going through single user mode. So we will wait for some time. So now here it is asking give root password for maintenance, but we don't have the root password. Or press Ctrl D to continue. Okay, I am pressing Ctrl D because I don't have the root password. So process is a little bit lengthier in this kernel. I will show you how we can directly jump to the shell by selecting the rescue kernel. Okay. So because we press Ctrl D, it's starting the process again. It is taking too much time. So in production environment, we don't have that much time. See, after pressing Ctrl D, it came to this mode again. So nothing happened. So we will restart again. This time we will select the rescue mode. Let's see what happened this time. Okay, I press up and down arrow key. And now I am coming to the rescue kernel. Simply press E button again because it is saying to press E to edit the kernel. We need to go to the Linux line. Press end button. Same, type rd.break and press Ctrl X. Now you will see this time what happened. So before Red Hat 9 versions, we always used to go by the first kernel to break the passwords. But in Red Hat 9, this capability has been added. So now it is saying press enter for maintenance mode. Here it is not asking root password. So I will press enter. So you remember when we selected the kernel last time, it automatically come to our graphical mode. But here now we are currently into our single user mode. So whenever a system go to single user mode, it by default change the settings to disabled so that we can edit the things. Okay, get enforce. So why it is not showing the command? Let me show you. First of all, what we have to do, we have to check whether sysroot is in which mode. Okay. Spelling is a little bit wrong. So if you see here, sysroot is on XFS and read-only mode currently. So what we need to do here, first of all, we have to mount it as read-write. Okay, we did through. Now where we need to go? chroot, sysroot. So we are jumping to this directory. Before this, let me type ls. We are not getting any output. Get enforce. We are not getting any output because command is not found. Now we need to change to sysroot. Okay, now it's changed. Now let's type the commands. So now I am able to see ls. Now I am able to see get enforce output. It is by default disabled in single user mode. So now what we need to do, we just need to change the password of root. I am changing the password. I am giving Red Hat password. Now it has changed the password. So what extra step we need to do here? We need to create a auto relabel file. Auto relabel auto relabel file. Why we are creating it? Because here conditions are in disabled mode and we want our files that was changed from enforcing to disabled to reapply those policies again. So once this server will come up, this file will automatically be deleted after relabeling to those files which was changed. The policy was changed on some files. I did it. Now exit again. Now wait for the system to come up. Let me maximize it. Okay, now it is applying the policies. And it is also giving the warning that SE Linux targeted policy relay files that was changed. So you need to wait patiently here for some time. Don't be in hurry and reboot the server again. Let the policy be applied here. So now it is relabeling and relabeling is completed. Now server is coming up. Let it boot by its original kernel. We have changed the password to Red Hat and we will try that if this works or not. So system is coming up into graphical mode. Okay, so we will try with root, not with student, because we have changed the root password because we did not have it. Okay. See, now it has taken the password that we broke. Now system is online. So now we will check again what is my policy. See, it came to enforcing. Where we can break the root password or change the root password as well. So usually this thing only helpful when you don't have the root password and you stuck somewhere inside the single user mode. Thank you for today.